Unang-una ay pinagdadasal ko ang barn, ano. Simula pa nung ako ay naging very much involved yung quest for justice, no, sa barn. Pinagdadasal ko talaga na magiging matahimik na at magkaroon na tayo ng dissenting pamahalaan at saka mabuhay na ng matuwid ang mga kababayan natin doon. Kaya sa mga nangyayari ngayon dyan sa barn, alam ko may maraming angle yung problema ngayon, yung misunderstanding dyan. Again, I would like to reiterate, ako'y nagdadasal para sa kanila. Pangalawa, wala naman sigurong masama kung mag-usap muli yung mga contending parties. Importante yung, sit together, bring out our differences, but at the same time also, where can we work together? Meron tayong mga prinsipyo. Besides those principles that we are not in agreement, I'm sure there are, issues that we are in agreement, and let's explore on those issues that we are in agreement for the good of the people and for the good of the, aspiration natin na magkaroon tayo ng gobyerno that is able to respond, to the culture and to the temperament and to the kind of people that we have in the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao.